Hello, so in this video I'll show you how to install the framework based in the advanced setup. So basically you just need to write in your address bar the correspondent virtual hosts of your framework /setup.php. It will show you then a page with a bunch of steps that you should have done when you install the framework. And basically some requirements like the minimum of the PHP version, the configuration of the php.ini, some PHP modules that you should have installed, some Apache modules and some other configurations. So if you scroll down in the number 9, you'll see some status for a bunch of files that all of them should be okay, and if all of them are okay, you'll see in the number 11 a link saying please click here to log in and continue with the setup. So we'll just click here, it will ask us to log in. By default Chrome is already failing my login because I've done this multiple times. So basically we just log in with the default user. Then after we be logged in, we must to accept the terms and conditions. We click continue, then we type the name of our default projects, we click continue, and now in the simple setup we'll just fill this form here. In the advanced setup we'll click in this link here. So we click in this link here, and in this link we can see that basically we have our layers diagram, where we have one presentation layer, one business logic layer, two data access layers, one database layer, and then the correspondent driver for our specific database. We can add more, so all of them we see here that we have a bunch of tasks here to drag and drop to our design area, so we can create our own diagram. I can show you an example. I'll just create a new driver. I'll click here. I can choose my driver, if it is my SQL server, if it is MySQL or Postgres. I can fill my database credentials and then click save. And then I could just simply connect my DB data layer with the new database driver. I can change the name, put something that I want, whatever. So let's delete this is just an example, and let's change the credentials for my SQL driver. So because I've done this before, I already have my corresponding credentials. Otherwise I'll need to put the default database name, the user, the password, and other configurations that I wanted. So this is a MySQL driver, which I called MySQL. So I'll just click save, and then I'll click here in this button continue. So I'll just press OK, and automatically the setup is done. Very fast, very simple. So then it will show me 3 links. So the first link is to change the password of the default user, which was the user that we authenticated before. So in here I can see that I can change the username, the corresponding user and password, and in order to do that I just need to click here save. We'll not do this now. Then the second link is to see my project. So basically when I create a project, it creates a default page with a default template, which basically is a blank template with one sentence. Very simple. And then the third link is to go to our admin panel. When we click here, we'll see that the system will ask us which workspace do we wish to work on. So basically a workspace is an interface according with your technical skills. So if I am a non-technical person, I should choose the simple workspace. If I'm a more technical person, then I can choose the advanced or the expert workspace. So let's choose the advanced workspace, and we are in the advanced workspace, where we can see the project that we created, the name, and the corresponding database that we created. We'll explain this workspace later. Thank you very much.